snowing. So now I'm going to my car. I'm going actually to the parking lot to brush all the snow. So it's like really snowing heavy. Wow, look at that one. Wow, now my car is getting wet. So this is the parking lot. That's my car. Oh wow, how can I go out? Look, they haven't even plowed the parking lot. It's just really messy. It's really all white. Wow, look at that one. Oh my gosh. So there's my car, and look, the snow, the layers of snow, how thick, so hard to come out. Now I'm really buried here. My car's now buried. It's all really white. And there's my car. Wow, look how thick the snow is. Okay, I need to stop it.